Hey guys, Zach with Bare Hands Pro here. I have another video in our series of videos about setting up your company. In this one, we're going to be going over your company settings, how to set them, what they mean, and how to upload your company's logo. In our last video, we did go over how to change your company's information. So if you have any questions about that at all, be sure to check out our last video. But let's get started with this one, huh? So I'm here on our organization settings dashboard, and in this video we're mainly going to be covering these three questions right here under your company settings. So all three of these are going to come toggled on as soon as you sign up, but you can just click it to toggle them off, and they're all going to be like global settings for your company. So let's talk about the first one. Would you like to show proposal of recommended repairs with pictures? How Bare Hands Pro works is your techs will do an inspection, and then they'll go over a report with the customer, and then I'll show a proposal of recommended repairs to go over with the customers. If we always keep the prices separated from that report and that proposal section, so the report will never have prices on it. If you guys do not want your techs to be dealing with prices at all out in the field, you just are doing inspections, you're not giving quotes for recommended repairs or anything like that, you just want to turn off that proposal by clicking this off button right there. And then it's not going to generate that proposal for your technicians. Next question, would you like your techs to be able to edit prices? This is a global setting for your company based on our response system, which I know we haven't gone over yet. We will go over in a later video. But during the inspection process, your tech is going to be choosing from our built-in default responses or responses that you set as the admin for your company, or you could be typing in whatever you want. If you don't feel comfortable with your text being able to edit the prices that you have set for the different repairs in that response form, this toggle would disable them to edit that box. Let's go into an inspection and I could show you what it does. So I have an inspection right here, and let's go to the next page. So right here I have a response that says $500, right? So if your tech is like, for whatever reason, repairing this crown coat, it's a bigger crown, we're going to have to charge more because we're going to need more crown seal maybe. So your tech can then make the judgment call and change that to $600 for that extra crown seal. And so then when the proposal gets generated, it's going to say 600 instead of that default 500 you guys had set. Now, if I'm uncomfortable with the tech changing the prices, all I would do is just go to my admin settings and toggle that off. Then the tech would not be able to change that 500 at all. It would be stuck at 500. And the only way to then change the price would have an admin go in and create a new line of response that has that extra price. The final setting we want to look at here is the would you like your text to be able the responses wordings. This is also a global setting, so it'll affect all your tech accounts if you have it clicked off or on. And this just refers to those responses again during the inspection. They are editable. So if we go to our dashboard and go back into that inspection, let's look back at that crown seal response we had. So we have repair the crown with sealant here. Maybe that works. Or upper crown is cracked. Maybe there's like multiple cracks and your tech wants to put that in. Multiple cracks. So then when they go to the report, the issue would be upper crown is cracked with multiple cracks because your tech edited that in and tried to be more specific. If you're uncomfortable with your tech editing any of these boxes, not just the price one, you would go back to admin settings and then click that off. And so if we go back into that inspection now, and we'll go back to that response we had for crown seal, As you can see, now these boxes are uneditable. It's just a kind of general setting on philosophies for your company. Personally, I like to have them all on just because, everything's different out there and it's always good for your text to build a rapport with the customer and put as many notes as he needs to in there, right? Finally, in this video, we are going to show you how to change out the logo. Very simple. So over here on the right side, this is going to be kind of what the top of your inspection report looks like. Default out the box right now, we just have the Bare Hands Pro Bear there in the logo section. All you do is click this bar and then you just select a picture from your computer. Let me find one I have here. Logo. So let's just put in this your company here logo. And now this logo is going to show up at the top of all my reports. For size, anything around like this one is a 400 by 400 square works. I kind of like the long kind of banner type, also looks really good at 400 pixels by 150. But it's all up to you guys. Feel free to experiment and decide what looks best. Great guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.